Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to create this super sleek low bun. It's so quick, you can literally do this in 2 minutes, so I really hope you like it, and let's get into it. So first you need to make sure that your hair is nice and smooth by brushing it out. This hairstyle is actually so good on second day hair too, so don't worry if your hair is a little bit greasy because it'll actually help. I'm taking my comb and I'm just measuring up from my nose to find my middle parting. This is the easiest way to find it and make sure that it's straight. Sometimes I have to do this a couple of times just to make sure that it's perfect. Then I'm just combing down the front sections of my hair and tucking them behind my ears. And then I'm using a hair oil to smooth down any flyaways and make sure that it looks more sleek. Now I'm gathering all of my hair at the back of my head near the nape of my neck in a ponytail position, as this is where the bun is going to be, and I'm just taking my hair elastic and pulling the hair halfway through the band and then gathering the rest up and securing it. So I'm just going to play this in slow motion again because it's easier for you to watch it than for me to explain it. So I'm just pulling the elastic halfway down the hair, picking the hair that isn't in the bun up, and then pulling the band over it again to hold it all up. It sounds really complicated, but it's so simple, honestly, trust me. If your hair is a little long, you might find some bits stick out, so all you need to do is pull it up around the base of the bun and then grip it in place with some hair grips. If you're worried about your hair staying behind your ears, you can also take some hair grips and grip the hair behind so it doesn't fall out. Next, I'm taking some hairspray and some more oil just to finish off the look, and then that is it. I really hope you liked this tutorial and that it helps you. Of course, I want to hear your thoughts down in the comments as always, and please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you do like it, because it honestly helps me out so much. And yeah, have a great day, and I'll speak to you all again very, very soon. Bye guys.